Welcome back friends in a new video of Revit series. In last video we learned about walls and level. So few of things I will carry on about wall and level. You can see here this is 3D and this is elevation, that is floor plan. Floor plan we can see this gate level, elevation, and this is 3D view. If you don't want to see this level in 3D, you can off this one. You need to go, this is 3D view and these all properties are for a 3D plan. So what I will do, I will select this template. If there is no template, like if you are using directly none, so then you need to go in visibility graphics, and from here you can go in grids and level. These are level, you can switch off. So now there is no more level. Same here, if you don't want to see here in section or elevation, still you can switch off. Same thing, you need to go, if you are using none, means there is no template, then you need to go visibility graphics, annotations, and then press L. You can see here level, you can switch off here, or you can half tone here. You can change the property. See, now it's half tone, like it's a grayscale. And about wall, if you want to make some modification in wall, like if you want to make some hole or some shape, rectangle or a circle, if you want to make, like I'm going to select this wall, edit profile. Okay, I'm going to make some here circle inside the wall. Close, you can see this circle. Any of shop, like any shape, if you want to make, like here rectangular or whatever you want to make, you can make here. Edit type, you can draw here in section. This is a section, so as you want you can put it here. Like I can make here big rectangular, you can see this one. So I will remove this one, it will go back in previous shape. So this was few of things additional about walls. Now we will learn how to import AutoCAD file. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to remove this link. There is no more link, there is no xref. There are different way, like if you go in insert, there is a CAD link, or manage and manage link. In manage link you can see CAD link, CAD format. Select here, I will select ground floor. So there are options, like if you want to position into the origin to origin, or a center to center, or a shared coordinators. So it's up to you where you want to keep this one. So I'm going to use origin. The color, which color you want black and white, preserve, like whatever color is there, so you can see the same color. Layer, all visible, all layers, or you want to see some of layer which will be visible over there, or any specify. Unit, which unit, like currently unit of this file is mm, so I'm going to keep the same. Auto detect means that same unit will be here, because my Revit file unit is mm and my AutoCAD file unit is mm, so both will be same unit. But if there is a difference between both layout, like this layout is in inch, so I will select here inch. If that layout is in different unit, so we need to select here, or auto detect, we can put it in auto detect. So here I will click OK. You can see here, if you select this one cross, you cannot edit anything, or you cannot select. But if you unselect this one, now you can select. If you want to move this one, you cannot move. If you want to move this one, you need to unpin this one. So now you can move wherever you want to move this one. I will keep same position, cross this one. Now I cannot add it. Okay, same thing, I will unselect. Same thing here. If you don't want to see this one in 3D view, again you will go in visibility graphics, and there is a link, like you can unselect, finish, it's gone. It's gone from here. So same thing here. If you don't need anymore any of link, so you need to go in visibility graphics. There will be your links, might few of your CAD XREF, like ground floor, first floor, or roof floor, whatever you want to close here, like you don't want to see anymore, so you can switch off from here. So I will switch off, there is no more. I will switch on, or I can keep it half tone, or from pattern I can change the color. From here you can change the lines. Now these all color are by layers, so if you want to change the layer color, still these are same layer which is in AutoCAD, so here you can change the layer by sum of layer, like that. This is dimension layer, or a door layer. If you want to change the door layer color, still you can change here. This is changed now, see the door colors are changed. If you want to go back again in same color, clear override, now it's came back the original color. Same thing what I'm going to do here. Okay, this is that level is a gate level. I'm going in ground floor. There is no link, like I can't see here link. What I will do here, I will click this one, because gate level is 300 below and ground floor level is 300 above. So our link is 300 below, means this is on gate level. So what I will do, it's up to you, either put it above 300 or select keep 0 and change level from here. Now level is ground floor, so now you can see here, see it's here. If you go in ceiling level, I will go in ceiling level, ground floor ceiling level. I can't see here because ceiling level visibility is at certain level, like you can see at certain level, that we will discuss later. But if you want to see that link here, same thing you need to do here. I will click here, ground floor, go above. You can keep like 1500, or I'll make 2000, this one, or above 2500. Now it's gone from here, and you can see in ceiling level. This is ceiling level. If you want to go back in same, you can keep it 0. It came back in 0.